In this video, we're going to continue looking at some of the plugins that are available for WooCommerce. You should be at this website in order to continue with the course. All right, let's click over here on the left on Enhancements, and you'll see cart and checkout features, merchandising, product page features, and search and navigation. These extensions fundamentally change the way your store works. Things like product add-ons let you add and upsell each product, like gift wrap or extra components. The Name Your Price extension allows people to do what it sounds like. Name your price, with an optional minimum, of course. Then there are a series of add-ons down here as well, such as one-page checkout. This creates special pages where customers can choose products, check out, and pay all on the same page. So if you have a particular need for that kind of thing, well, this is a $79 add-on. You're starting to get the idea that these extensions tend to cost a little bit more, sometimes even $100 to $200, but they're incredibly powerful. If you want to explore bundles, add-ons, or updating the cart or checkout, you can look through the list in this category. For instance, the marketing area is really excellent as well. There's a Mailchimp integration, and that costs nothing. Smart coupons, Google product feed, well, again, you can see some of the pricing here. WooCommerce can connect with Mailchimp, Google products, and a lot of other services. Whether you use Mailchimp or another newsletter provider, we strongly recommend you have a way to add customers to a newsletter. It's much easier to get an existing customer to buy again instead of adding a new customer, and newsletters let you do that. So this is a good time to mention that we're only looking at the official WooCommerce extensions. There are hundreds of WooCommerce plugins on other sites, including WordPress.org. That said, we're really big fans of the official extensions for anything critical to your store. We always suggest you use official extensions, especially for payment and fulfillment. And if bundles were a key component to my store, well, then I would absolutely use the official bundles. So let's talk about costs. If you get a couple of official extensions and maybe one or two unofficial extensions, you might be looking at anything from $0 to $500 a year. If you wanted to get dozens of extensions, it might be closer to $1,000 a year. But the vast majority of stores don't need that. All things considered, this is really incredibly cheap for e-commerce software when you think about all the work that goes into security, functionality, planning, streamlining, and of course all of the support you get for buying an extension. Free plugins usually don't come with great support, but the official ones from WooCommerce even come with live chat. That's a huge advantage. I can't stress that enough. Once you do start buying add-ons, of course, it can become a little addicting, so I really encourage you to stop and plan out what your store needs before you go absolutely crazy in here. As long as your store is successful, well, then that's okay. Buying the right extensions and applying them properly is going to make your store way more efficient and hopefully more profitable.